Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to verify your age on your Google account. This is something you might need to do if Google has flagged your account as underage or if you simply need to update your birth date information. First things first, open up your browser and go to Google. Now, in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that, then select Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. What you want to do is look for the Personal Information section. It should be on the left-hand side menu or in the main navigation tabs, depending on whether you're on mobile or desktop. After you've clicked on Personal Information, scroll down until you see your birth date information. This is where you can check if your current birth date is correct. If it's not, simply click on the edit icon next to it to update it. Now, in case your account has been flagged as underage, Google might require additional verification. They typically ask for one of two things, either credit card details or a valid ID. This is just Google's way of making sure you're actually the age you claim to be. If you're asked to submit documents, go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll need to upload clear images of your ID or enter your credit card information as requested. Don't worry, Google uses this information solely for verification purposes. Once you've submitted the required documents, Google will review them and update your age accordingly. This process usually doesn't take too long, but it might take a few days in some cases. And that's it. After your age has been confirmed, your account should be good to go. You'll have full access to all the Google services appropriate for your age group. If you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.